Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the clips you want to merge, not later, right now. Make sure the playlist shows only the clips intended. Once done, set Snap to grid or off for precise alignment. Check levels and remove redundant automation or top-of-clip fades so you don't bake in errors. Also confirm sample rates and tempo match. If they don't, consolidate or resample first. This prevents timing and pitch shifts when you render the merged result. You now consolidate. Select the target clips and choose Consolidate Playlist Track or Consolidate Selection from the menu. This bounces them into one audio clip in place. If tracks use different effects, route them to a single mixer insert or render each stem with effects applied. Choose a high-quality format. 24-bit WAV is common, and enable tail processing so reverb and delay tails aren't cut. Once rendered, the merged clip replaces the originals for cleaner arrangement work. Finish up by auditioning the merged clip in context. You want consistent loudness and no phasing. If you hear comb filtering or thinness, check phase, invert one source or resample problematic stems. Make tiny fades at boundaries to remove clicks. 0.5 to 5 milliseconds is usually enough. If effects tails are missing, re-render with longer tail settings. And remember, keep an editable backup. You can always revert if the merge introduces unexpected artifacts or timing shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.